So today we are making ham and vegetable soup. Thinking about this recipe, you can use leftover ham that you may had from another dinner, maybe Thanksgiving dinner that you had left over. You can use leftover boned ham. Once you're done chopping the ham or mincing the ham to the size that you prefer, add it to the crock pot. Grab and peel and wash 3 small to medium-sized potatoes. Chop to small cubed size. Add your chopped potatoes to the crock pot. Need 1 bag of carrot chips. Add the carrots to the crock pot. Grab your can of white corn. Regular yellow corn may work with this as well. Get ready to drain and rinse your kidney beans. You have to rinse them because if you don't, they're going to have an aftertaste, they're going to be slimy, you're going to be mad because you done ruined your whole soup. Rinse the kidney beans, people. Once the white bubbles or foam are gone, then that should indicate that they are well rinsed. Go ahead and add them to the crock pot. Now you need about a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Add 2 cubes of chicken bouillon, but you can add more to taste. Add 4 cups of water. Make sure the amount of water that you add is within your preference of consistency you like. Now remember, good people, I don't use a measuring spoon, so this is about approximately 1 tablespoon of rosemary. And this is about 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Add about 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 2 bay leaves. I promise there's about 2 bay leaves. My bay leaves was crushed. And now about 1 teaspoon of thyme. Add some table salt to your taste. Now add some pepper to your taste. Now stir that thing real good because we got to get all those flavors and all those seasonings and all those juices to work together in one harmony. What? it. This is a true dump and go crock pot recipe. All that's left is you have to set your crock pot to low for 8 hours. Of course, come back to check on everything, make sure everything is good, give it a nice stir, give it a little taste test, but I mean, you're done. Later, this is what you should have. Oh my god, the aroma from this thing, oh my god, it smells so good. This is a nice, hearty, sit by the fireplace, warm your spirit type of soup. Ugh, it was delicious. The last two steps are completely optional. You can add parsley or basil for garnish, and then you can add a couple of croutons for a crunch, but completely optional. They didn't need it at all. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you've tried it. Please, if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye!